What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in and grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate it. Today's video is about the top 3 stocks I want you guys to consider for this week. And so coming off the holiday weekend, man, we don't know fully what to expect. However, with that being said, I want you guys to keep an eye out for 2 things. Number 1 being that the big players in the game may take profits this week, and so if they take profits, that may cause a little volatility. So that means your stock prices may go down, which is a good thing. That means we can buy at a lower price. Okay, it ain't the time to panic, that's the time to pounce. And then the second thing is the run that we had last week may continue this week for a few days. And so again, if you got your positions established, you can ride that wave up. If you don't have your positions established, use Monday morning to get your positions established so that you can take advantage and make some small profits. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. As you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $34,097.88. On the day, we are up $157, almost $160. On the week, we are up a little over 4%. On the month, we are down over 4%. If I take you guys 3 months out, we are up 19.5%. And if we go 1 year out, we are up 7.5%, over 7.5%. And guys, just so that you can see, all time, same thing. There's no difference. You guys that follow me know I posted this. I started this account in January with $0, and I do this because I wanted to show the small investor how to build wealth, but more importantly, I want to show the small investors what's truly possible. So that's what I come on here and do this for each and every day, because I want to show you taking a couple $500 here, $250 there. If you stay consistent, this is the result. You can have great returns. You can do a lot of damage in the stock market and grow your wealth over time. And so without further ado, we want to look at the top 3 stocks on the day that I want you to consider, or at least add to your watch list. Stock number 1, I can't let you guys forget about this, ticker symbol PLUG, Plug Power, currently sitting at $9.07. Guys, don't let this one get out your sight. It's already jumped from 7 to 9 since the last time I did a video on this one in particular. Get your position established. You guys know, if you follow me on this channel, when we establish a position in any stock, we do 125 shares minimum. I don't care how you get there. If you got to do 5 here, 10 here, whatever, but over time, accumulate what you need to accumulate to get your minimum 125 shares. This one is one I want you guys to keep your eye out on. As you can see, the 52-week high on this is $9.65. The 52-week low is $1.88. This one has a lot of room to grow, as it has just hit its 52-week high. But guys, I want you to, at least, if nothing else, put this in your back pocket. When they sleep, we eat. And so this one is a slept on stock. I know it is. And so I'm telling you in advance so you can be in position to take advantage. Stock number 2 today is PayPal. Ticker symbol PYPL is currently sitting at $178. Listen, guys, they are going to change the game. All that investing in Visa and MasterCard, if you got that, I'm not knocking it. However, I want to put you on game for what's really coming down the pipe. Things like this stock and the next one that I'm going to cover are where the world is going. So I need you to be in position. This stock, I own this stock when it was at $100. It's already shot up and look like it's heading towards $200. Right now, PayPal is sitting at its 52-week high. It's $179.86. The 52-week low is $82. Guys, they're changing the game. They're making it so you don't even need a bank. You're going to do everything from this app through PayPal, whether it's business loans, transactions, you name it. And so if you don't have this on your radar, please put it on your radar, because if you need quality growth stocks with growth potential, this is one. And stock number 3 on today is Square. This one might be even more disruptive than PayPal. That remains to be seen, but ticker symbol SQ is currently sitting at $113.80. And you guys know, if you use Cash App, then you use Square. If you are a small business owner, then you may also use Square. I know you guys know I run an empire outside of YouTube. I sell t-shirts, I sell these hats, I sell merch, I do coaching, I got best-selling books. How do you guys think I make my transactions? Through Square. Okay, I ain't taking cash. I don't touch cash. I haven't seen cash in a long time. I never miss a sale because with Square, you can get that money anywhere you at. And so, guys, this is the future. This not nothing that's new to you guys. You already know this, but from an investment standpoint, it's time to start looking at what they're doing and how they're taking over the game. Soon, banks and things like Visa and MasterCard will be less important to making transactions because this will soak up the entire game. So I'm just putting this on your radar in advance, man, so you can make the best decision possible for your investment journey. I hope you like those 3 picks on the day. Just something to keep a lookout for. Don't forget about the other stocks we've talked about throughout this time as well. Videos is in the link so that you guys can go back and look at some of those. Listen, man, I hope that was helpful. Up next, we have our word of the day. And our word of the day is futures. Guys, I want to talk to you about what the futures are, because if you understand what the futures of the stock market mean, it is a very good way to know in advance, at least temporarily, what the stock market is going to do. Dow futures in particular, if you want to make it plain, is a way for you to know the next day if the market will be up or down. I need you guys to look this up, so get your pen and paper out, you already know, and make sure that you look up futures, or Dow futures to be specific, if you can type it into Google, because it will help you and serve as a leading indicator for what to expect the following day. Now, mind you, the updates that it's going to give you won't mean that the whole day will be like that, but at least at market open, you will know if it's going to be up or down. And so that's critical, because if you guys are trading, if you guys are doing swing trades, options, whatever you might be doing, this may help you know, man, you know what, the market gonna be up, I need to do this. The market gonna be down, I need to do this. And so, guys, put that on your radar and act accordingly. Next up, we have our question of the day, and today's question comes from Bullen89. When stock started to fall, I invested $500 into my Robinhood account and been putting in $100 a week after that first initial deposit. I'm at $2,600 now, and I'm excited how the year has been going to end. Thank you for your vids. It encourages many of us to invest. Bullen89, I thank you for the question. I appreciate you saying this, man. The reason why I wanted to highlight this today is because guys, it's okay to hold cash. If you guys have money, that don't mean you need to buy a stock and just throw it at anything. Sometimes it's cool to just sit in cash and wait for a dip. In this particular case, I highlighted this because when stocks started to fall, I can pretty much guarantee that he's talking about the time frame in March, around March 23rd, March 19th through 23rd, when the market began to drop. I can guarantee you he jumped in right there. And guys, that's perfectly fine, man. You can wait the market out sometimes. You can sit in cash sometimes. I'm going to show you guys my buying power from time to time, just to let you guys know that I'm not buying a stock every second of the day. Sometimes I don't like the prices that's out there. I don't like the valuations on some of these companies. Therefore, I might wait for a few different things to take place before I deploy my cash into something. You guys have to be strategic, man. We're going to always refocus on that each and every video. Be strategic, have a strategy for why you do what you do. But in this particular case, I wanted to highlight this because he waited for the market to drop. It's okay for you to do that. Certain prices, like right now, you guys know I love Apple, I love Facebook, Microsoft, the whole nine. But right now, I'm not buying Apple at 330. Okay, now maybe on the next pullback, I might jump all over Apple if it drops a little bit. That's what holding cash means. You don't have to always go in every single time out swinging for the fences. As I often say, it's okay to rely on the base hit from time to time or sit in cash. Listen, guys, I hope that was helpful. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll grab them, add them in my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every week, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you in the next one.